If you're watching this, it's likely you're either a lucky new owner of a Pro-Ject Streambox S2 Ultra, or perhaps you're considering one and wondering how the setup will go. For those of you who are new owners, congratulations. At AudioAdvice, we love the sound of Pro-Ject products. One thing that will help you get up and running quickly is knowing what the LED lights on the front panel mean. Getting started begins by connecting the unit to its included power supply and powering on the device. On the front panel, 3 LED lights illuminate blue or red to show you the status of the functional state of the unit. The first LED will glow solid blue when the unit is powered on, or solid red to indicate the unit is in standby mode. Pressing the large push button from the front panel turns the unit on or returns it back to the standby mode. The second LED light will glow blue after a successful network connection, and the third LED light will glow blue and only illuminate when the USB PC button is toggled. It's important to note that powering on the device and returning it to standby mode takes some time. The LED light will blink red and blue to show you that it's switching states from on to standby mode. In the beginning, this confused us because it wasn't clear at first what was happening. Thankfully, the user manual is well written, but we'll take a moment to break it down some more. The Raspberry Pi computer inside processes the signal it receives when the power button is pressed. The pre-installed Linux-based software safeguards your Streambox S2 Ultra and the data stored on any USB peripherals connected to it from data loss. The Streambox S2 Ultra will flash a red and blue LED light to ensure any open files and data are closed safely before it switches to standby mode. This process takes about 1 minute to complete. Once it switches to standby, the power button LED light will glow solid red to show you the status. Pressing the power button again will reactivate fully functional status, making the LED light glow solid blue to show you that it's booting. After about 1 minute, the second LED marked NET will automatically glow solid blue as soon as the unit is finished booting and ready for you to use. The third and final LED will illuminate solid blue only when the smaller push button marked USB PC is toggled. When this feature is inactive, the LED light does not illuminate, letting you know your Streambox S2 Ultra is in streaming mode and available on the network as a network-attached device. Connecting Streambox S2 Ultra to the network is done in one of 2 ways. The unit can be connected to the network or the internet via an Ethernet connection that you plug directly into your router for a hardwired connection, or with a wireless connection. When playing back high-resolution music files and streaming services, the Ethernet connection will offer the most stable network performance. If connecting wirelessly, you'll need to position the included antenna onto the back of the unit for the best streaming performance. Streambox S2 Ultra will be compatible with any 802.11 Wi-Fi standard. No matter which method you decide to go with, the LED light marked NET will illuminate blue to show you that the Streambox S2 Ultra is pumping out a Wi-Fi signal. At this point, search for available Wi-Fi networks on your settings from your phone or your computer. Just select the Streambox S2 Ultra as the Wi-Fi network you want to join, and away you go. The welcome page will pop up automatically on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, guiding you the rest of the way. If you set up your device using the browser method as we did, be sure you're entering the correct password for your Wi-Fi network. The unit will reconnect to the selected Wi-Fi network at every reboot, using the same password that you entered during the initial setup. We wish the user interface of the browser method had provided some clear feedback to us when we entered the wrong password for our network. That would have helped us get up and running faster with much less time scratching our heads. But that's what we're here for. At AudioAdvice, we're here to save you time, so you can get set up and ready to rock and roll in no time at all. The cool thing is that the advanced Raspberry Pi processor inside is a fully fledged computer, so it's completely updatable and accessible with a mouse, keyboard, and a monitor. Using the HDMI port and one of the USB ports included on the back of the unit, we were able to access the system settings and restore it back to factory default settings using a TV monitor and a USB mouse. Problem solved. Completely open source and backed up by a strong community, this could be improved with a software update in the future. Raspberry Pi is based on an open source project that has a large community behind it. This guarantees full support and future improvements. For example, A new and even better way to get started with the streamer is available using the app. If you're not sure that you have the right password to your Wi-Fi network, we suggest downloading the new official remote control Pro-Ject Play app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free, and once you download it, the app can set up and control your little Streambox S2 Ultra from any smartphone or tablet wirelessly. It's so easy and so convenient. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great home audio and home theater content. We'll see you next time.